Do you have Java on your machine?
I think so, but I don't know.
Okay, so if you don't have it also, no issue, I can send it to you. And for example, you see, I will send it to you with your email ID. So Java is not a big deal. So I have Java in my drive itself. So you see here, so I have a drive and so share. I am just sharing to this guy, Hemant. I have shared that things to you.
Okay.
And I'm making you as a presenter so that in the meantime, did you created the instance on your EC2?
Yes, I
You
did.
have your AWS instance ready?
Yes.
Okay. If you have the things ready, so we will do that. So in the meantime, I have sent the Java things also to you. Maybe you can just double click and easily it will be installed for you. Is it your car?
No.
Click it. It will be installing for you. Wait. So why are you clicking twice? Okay, in the meantime, go to your EC2 instance and try to connect it. So let's see whether the things are working or not. Okay, you have the Internet Explorer, right? So you try to connect it. Okay, you start it. Yeah, good. So how is your Valentine's Day celebrations? Is it going good?
Yeah, sitting alone at home. Yeah, it's going good.
I think this group is all the same.
Is it?
Yeah.
Who is talking? Okay, so you should be around fine. So Atul also, I think it's very early for Atul to just celebrate a Valentine's Day. So he's underage. So what do you say, Atul?
Underage has more options, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, what do I do? What do I do now?
What do you do now? So go to open the EC2 instance in Internet Explorer. Na? Go to your Amazon Web Services. It's not Amazon.com, it is Amazon Web Services. You can just purchase only mobile phones in Amazon.com. Yeah. So Atul, are you there or you left? Are you there?
Hey, I'm a little in and out today, so.
Okay. Okay.
I hope I get recorded. I'm just hoping that I get the recording, which I will watch
Okay.
later.
Okay, it's in Hemant's hand, so I think he is recording good now. Okay, so sign into your console, Hemant. Yeah. So today we are trying to. You got the point, right, Atul? Why we are? You only asked yesterday how to connect to the cookie, so I have showed today to you.
Okay.
That part you understood?
Um,
I think you are not there
really.
at the time.
No,
Okay.
no. But I'll get that. I mean, so just we are downloading it on our desktop, right?
No. Actually, what we have did it. So this is a third way of connecting your EC2 instance by using Java directly in the desktop. You can connect it. So that is what we are doing that.
But
So second
yeah,
one,
Java.
if you don't understand, yeah,
That's
it is,
wait.
it is correct. It is correct. So Atul, sorry, Hemant, it is correct. What you are doing is right. So go to the connect button. Yeah, choose the second option by using Java SSH. No. The second option is there on the top. Yes. You see now you said you are opening in the, it is not supporting again to you.
Okay.
The Internet Explorer 9 is not there with you.
This one is
That's fine. So it
okay.
is a very easy option. So if you have a Java, and automatically it will be connected. You don't have to bother about it. Okay.
Okay.
So I just want to tell you, but it is a very childish way. Okay.
So
Nobody will
usually we
do
use
like.
putty, right?
Usually we used to use putty or any SSH client like git bash to enter to your instance. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So just give me 2 minutes. So I will be back soon. Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
In the meantime, we will start our Linux commands. Okay.
What are we waiting on?
Are you asking me?
Yeah, I mean, I think screen is blank, nothing is happening, so
I
just want to make sure we are there in the call.
yeah, we're there. I paused my screen. That's it.
Sundar? Sundar, are you there on the call? Hello, we there on the call?
Yeah, Atul, we are there, but I think Sundar is taking a little break.
Yeah, guys. Thanks for being online. Thank you. So the next point is now you hope you have understood how to connect to the server in the different ways, correct? How to create the server and how to connect to the server. So what we have did, simply what I have did now is, so I have used the AWS account. So I have created an AWS account, okay, AWS account, and I have created a server. So I have created a server, and we have connected that server in the different ways. Okay, we have connected the server by using some SSH client, and we have used PuTTY to do that, and you can also use the Java client directly to connect to your instance. So these two are the suggested ways. The first two ways are the suggested ways, and the second way is not a good way of connecting through the Java. Okay, so you can use any SSH client. So SSH tool. So which is going, any SSH software is going to be our Git bash, right? So I have used Git bash software to connect it. Git bash software yesterday to connect it, and this is going to be a PEM key. So PEM key is the very important key that everywhere it is getting used. Here you are using PPK key. Okay, so PPK key to PuTTY. So PuTTY I have connected, through PuTTY I have connected to this instance, and here I have used just the Java. So directly with this Java and the PEM key, so which is getting connected to the server instance of Ubuntu. Okay, so you can create any instance so with this. So hope you have understand this setup. So normally in the real time, so this is the how the people will be just accessing the server, which is in a cloud. Okay, so now we need to, before just jumping to all other things, we need to understand how this DevOps server works, and few concepts of your Linux commands. Okay, so you have to talk about the Linux commands, because always we are going to work on our Linux tools. Okay, so the first command which I'm going to use is nothing but a ls command. So in a day-to-day DevOps life, so we are going to use these commands. So ls is a command just to list your directories. That's it. So if you have a files and directories, the ls is a command. It lists your files and the directories. Okay. So this is a command called ls. Okay. Now you need to create a file. So these are all the operations that we are going to look normally. Okay. So how to create a file, how to create a directory. Okay. So how to toggle between the file and the directory. So you have to just move between the file and the directory, right? So you have to go in and come out. So the path, okay. What is the path? So how you are going to just access the path, and how you are going to search the file inside the search the string inside the file. So these are all the main things that we are going to look into it, and how you are going to find the file inside the particular big things, and how you are going to just talk about the process, how you are going to see the process which is running in the computer, and what is the load of the server. If the application is going down, what is the load of the server, and how to check the port, how to check the service of the particular things are running or not. So like this, and for example, how you can make the SSH connection between one server to other server. What is the scheduling tool? It's called the cron tab. So how can you schedule something to happen in the regular interval? So this kind of activity, as a support guy, you have to do it. Okay. So to have the applicant to check the sanitary of the thing, sanitary health check of your application which is running on any server, you have to understand the process which is running, and what is the background things which is going, and what are all the errors if the application is going down, or if your real-time application is going stagnant or slow or stuck or not reachable. So you have to do basic, you need to have some basic idea for that to be troubleshooted. So that things we have to see. So for that things, so always you need to enter to this kind of command prompt and see these things. What is happening? So what is the, you need to see some disk space issue will be there by using du command. Du command is a disk utilization, df command is a disk file system space. If the file system space is not there, you have to clean something. So like this, lot of responsibility is there as a DevOps engineer to have the support to your, to give the support to your application. So if you need to do all this kind of things, you need to understand the basic commands first of all. So now the first command is going to be the ls command, which just lists your files and the folders to you. And the next command is going to be, I need to, okay, I have, first of all, I need to create the file and the folders, right? So I don't have anything now. So first of all, I will delete everything which is there. So rm is a command to, rm is to remove. Hyphen rf is to release everything in the star. So star means inside the directory, everything will be deleted. Clear is a command to just clear your console screen, okay? So now if I put ls, nothing is there. So now what I have to do, I have to create a file. So how to create a file? A notepad, right? So with the notepad, you can create a file in Windows. Here it is called VI editor, okay? So in this VI editor, just put text.txt. This is the file that we are going to create. So once you want to create this file, what you need to do? So you have just do escape insert, go to the insert mode of this file, VA editor, okay, and just type something, and again press escape button and say :WQ, write and quit. So colon is to just type something on the command prompt, and W is to write and Q is to quit. So it quitted. So the VI is a editor command which is used like a notepad in your Windows, and you can create a files or folders, sorry, only files by using a VI editor. So again, if you are putting VI in any file name, it put enter and it creates a new file. And if you want to edit something or insert something, you need to change the mode. Okay, so always press escape button and to change the mode. To insert is a normal mode you will be using. So -I, not -I, just put escape I. So it came to the insert mode. Now you type whatever you want. Welcome to DevOps. So something like this. You just type it and put again escape and :W to write. That's it. So it got saved. And if you want to quit, again escape :Q to quit. To quit from this place. Now you put ls, so you see two files are there here. Now you see only two files are there for you now. So if you want to see the content of the file, you can use a command called cat. Okay, cat is a command which shows you the content of that file. Okay, if you want to see the content of the other file, use the other cat command and use the file name, and it shows you the other content to you. So the very important command that we have to understand now is ls command and the VI command and the cat command. So ls command to list the files and the folders. VI command is to create a file, and to edit a file you can use a VI command. It's a editor command like a notepad in Windows, okay, or a WordPad in Windows, or even a WinWord in Windows. So now the next point is cat. Cat is to just show the file name in the console. So you can just show the things in the console by using a cat. But cat will not work if it is a 1000-line big file. It will not work. The cat will not work because the last 50 lines will be shown to you, not the complete one. Okay. So here what do we have to do? Just a moment. So up to this, is it clear to you? What is ls, what is cat, and what is VI? So these three commands are clear to you?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So in this case, I have told to create a file, but how to create a folder? So the folder is nothing but you just create, right click on and create a new folder, right? So here it is going to be a sample _ folder. So mkdir, make a directory. So make a directory is a command which makes you to create a directory. So directory means it will be displaying in the blue color, and if it is a file means it is displaying in the white color. Okay, so it makes a difference. And if you feel that you need to go inside the directory, for example, in Windows, whatever you are doing, so you just click it in the title bar and it is showing your, so it is equal to the ls command. So if you are putting this as a ls command, it's showing all the files and folders, right? So this is equal to the Linux operation. And if you want to just go back to the particular things, okay, so you are just clicking like this and it is going back, right? But here it is not the case. You can check the PWD. So this is a title bar, which is a present working directory. So it means that, sorry, present path, present working directory path. So what is a path? It is there in the home Ubuntu. So this is a path where it is. Okay. So now what we have to do is, if you want to go inside this folder, what you need to do, the command is nothing but cd, which is change directory. So change directory, and always don't try to type the full name. You just put SA and the tab button, automatically it will be filled. Sorry. You see now, so when I put ls, inside the sample folder it is not there. So if you are just checking PWD, it is there in the sample folder. So before it was there in the Ubuntu, and now it is one step ahead and it is there in the sample folder. So by using the cd command, and if you want to just come back one step back, so just put cd dot dot, it just comes one step back. Okay, so these are all the very important commands. First set of very basic commands that you need to understand, which is mkdir, cd, ls, and pwd. So this is a normal way that for every DevOps tools that you are going to use it, these commands. So at that time you should not get surprised why this guy is using and how he is creating a folder and how he is going inside the folder. So all those things you should not get surprised. Now the next point is, the next advanced command that we are going to see is nothing but a grep command and the find command. So there is a small difference between the grep command and the file command. So it is nothing but control F. So what is that control F will do in Windows? So control F will be searching a string inside the file. Okay. If you want to check the file itself, you will be checking the file in there. So you can also check the file name also, right? So here if I am just putting control F, you can check the files also. So okay, let me not confuse you. So it's simple. So let's do it in a very simple way. So I am just going to create a file called F1. So no, I think it is too early for you to discuss about this command. So what I will do is I will discuss this. I will start the grep and find command and lot of different commands from tomorrow, because if I start now, I think I am overburdening you. I will not start it now. So I stop this session, and tomorrow we will continue with these commands, because I have to take minimum 20 minutes to explain you the difference in the find command and what are all the very good command is the find command actually. So it takes time. So if I am telling you, you will be demotivated. I don't want to do it in the second day. So let's stop it, and we will do it in the next class. Okay, this one. So today the class I just want to summarize. So what I have did is I just explained you how to create a PPKP by using putty and a puttygen, and how to connect to your Ubuntu machine. So this is the first takeaway of the class. Second is, I have just started you the Linux commands. Okay, so very basic commands I have started to you. And the third option is the least option. I have also shown you how to just use the Java software to connect it to your AWS instance. So this is the three takeaway steps from today's class. Yesterday we have just talked about how to create a AWS account and how to create the EC2 instance, and how to connect with you by using the perm key to your EC2 instance, which is the Ubuntu machine. That's it. Okay. Is it clear, or any questions is there here now?
Sundar, in EC2 instance, can we see how many hours did we run the instance? Like how many hours left in the 750 hours of free hours, right? How many hours are left? Can we check it in the website?
No. I did not check about it. it's a good question, but I don't know the answer for this question.
Okay.
So maybe there should be, so Google it. So how to get the account. So there should be somewhere in the account information should be there, I guess. So you see my account and billing dashboard is there, right? So maybe you can check in your billing dashboard or some account. Okay.
Okay,
So
I'll
bill,
find it.
cost explorer, yeah, it is there. Everything is there now. Easy to instance, so how much thing data transfer, all those things it is. It's showing 1174, right? So for me it is, I don't know why they have just, and I'm not going to pay this to them, but I'm sure about it. But like this you can just see, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You can check the report, how many hours you have used it, other usage. Yeah, you see EC2 instance usage report, yes, it's there. So you can just check it how many hours I have used it. Time in daily granularity, instance hours. No data, it is not an instant unit instance hours. They are not giving. They are not giving it. Okay. But don't worry about it. So you can also revert it if they are just taking the cost also. Don't worry about it. And you are not going to pay, right? So you have not given your credit card. So if you
Yeah, I
have
gave
given
my credit
credit
card
card,
details. That's what I was.
close this. Yeah, yeah. So what you do is just to open, use it for 5 days, and after that you don't use this account. You just close it, and after that you can use your you can create your other account by using debit card. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So that without your knowledge, they cannot take the money. So this is what I used to follow this technique for the AWS account.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. So Arun, see you, and Atul, see you. And Srikanth, so if you have any doubts, since it's a first class, you don't understand few things I know about it, but if you still understand, so that's well and good. So maybe what I will do is I will send the tomorrow's class, sorry, yesterday's class to you. Can you share your email ID?
Sure. I was looking, but I don't see where I can type on my comments or something like that. Just go to
No,
meeting.
chat. There is a chat button, right? So there is attendance, audio, attendance is there, and after that audio chat is there, right? So sorry, chat is there. You can just type it in the chat.
I don't see that button as well. Yesterday I was able to see, but I'm not sure why I'm not able to see it today.
Is it?
I don't see attendance or chat. Yeah, I also don't see all those options.
Oh, is it? Just a moment. I need some. Then how come Hemant can? Okay, Hemant is organizer. That's the reason he could able to do it. Now, yeah, you can see that. So you became an organizer and you can see it. Can you check, Mr. Srikanth and Atul also? Yeah, I am making you as an organizer, and you can have all the details now. Maybe.
Yeah, now I can. Now I
Your screen. Yeah, yeah. So type your email ID and I will share the yesterday session to you. And for other guys also, I will share it. So.
Sundar,
Yeah.
just wondering, on a daily basis, why don't just one person do the recording? Maybe like you, and then send us a link, because that way we don't have to.
So see, this is what I clearly tell. I don't want to take this headache by recording the thing. So even 5 minutes in the morning time is very precious. So I'm just running
No problem.
into office. So I think you or Atul or Hemant or Srikanth, so they can take this responsibility, and you yourself can circulate self-help is the best help. That's what I.
That works.
Okay, okay. So I think. Hemant is very interested to do that, so let's push the responsibility to Hemant.
Okay.
Very diplomatic way of getting the work. Okay, so Hemant. Okay. Yeah, so I'm sending this meeting to everyone. So who is Srikanth, Atul, Hemant, Arun? So everything is there. Fine. Yeah. So I'm just sending this meeting link, which is sent by my consultant guys to you guys, so you can just see. So only 3 guys are there today, no? 1, 2, yeah. So I'm just sending this meeting links to you guys. Atul, can you share your email ID so that I can send the yesterday's links to you?
Yeah, helping you.
Hemant, so you can send today's links to me. So today is a recording to me, and I can send it to you, this guys. And maybe once the batch is getting set, so we will create a WhatsApp group, and you yourselves can exchange your information between yourselves.
Okay.
So Atul, please your email ID, please. I am waiting for it so that I will send it.
Yeah, I don't know where to. Just write down Atul AN15 at Yahoo.
ATUL Atul
AN
AN
15.
okay.
Yahoo. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Sent. Thank you. Bye. So we will meet on the same time tomorrow. Bye bye. Yeah. On the same link. For 10 days it is going to be the same link.
Okay.